back to my channel. I know my hands look crazy right now, but we're gonna be doing plastic wrap nails, plastic wrap marble nails. Got my plastic wrap here. So I built up these 2 nails just to save time, and I'm gonna do these nails. So this nail is gonna have glitter, or should I do? I think I'm gonna do glitter on this nail just to switch it up. So I'm gonna be using this builder gel by IBD. That's what it looks like. I got some white in there, but that's okay. It's clear.
Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a voiceover on this part. Right now I'm just applying a thin coat at first, and then I'm gonna cure it, and then I'm gonna do a second coat where I'm gonna apply either the glitter or do the plastic wrap on the other finger. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching me do this. So as you guys can see, I do have some of the other fingers already done, but I'm still applying the base coat right now. I'm going to apply the second coat, and then we're going to start forming the marble plastic wrap nail on this finger here. And I just want to say a little reminder, this is just how I do my nails. I'm not a professional. I saw this trend on YouTube and I thought it'd be fun to try it out. I do want the other nail to look similar to this nail here, but you're gonna see that I'm gonna change it because I don't like the pink tone that it has, so I'm gonna make it just clear. Right now I'm making my own white builder gel. I'm just applying some white nail polish, a few drops, and I'm gonna mix it together, and that's how I'm gonna create my white marbling gel that I'm gonna apply to the nail now.
So what I figured out was the best way to do this is to put it in a kind of random spots. I'm gonna take my saran, piece, tear it off. Over. Make sure not to get it on that other nail because it's still tacky. I'm just squishing it together. And when you're happy with that design, you just cure it. Okay, so I'm gonna stick that in for 30 seconds. And now for the reveal, you just peel it off. It comes off really easily. You can see there's like some pieces sticking up. That's fine. All you need to do is go in with your e-file or hand file. I'm doing e-file just to save some time. You know, I think I might keep this one a little bit different than the other nail because I put a peachy poly gel over top. Not poly gel, I put a peachy builder gel, as you can see, and I don't like that, so I might change that. But let's try just keeping it that way. So I like how that looks, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it like that. Now I'm gonna clean up my mess. And then I'm going to apply it, over top. well, so I'm just gonna cure this so it stays in place. I'm just gonna apply some of these sparkle colors. You guys, I want to show you the little sparkle collection of glitters that I got from the dollar store. This is what they look like. $4 for all of these glitters. Isn't that crazy? And there's so many pretty glitters. I'm going to be mixing some of those with acrylics in another video. Comment below if you want to see that. Okay, and now we're gonna cure again. Make decent size. Some of my white nail polish. Okay, I'm just gonna take it just off the side because where the side is really, it's thicker. Just randomly draw a pattern. You know, that kind of looks like marble. I've realized that less is more when it comes to marble. Okay, and now I'm gonna dip it in acetone, that brush, and kind of spread some yeah, guys, I did fix this nail. I filed it down and I just applied some more builder gel on top. Obviously my left hand is not as perfect as my So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you liked it. And until next time, guys, peace.